Police vehicle. Name and sounds. Police patrol car. Police patrol car. This is the most common vehicle used by the police for patrolling and responding to emergencies on the road. Police utility vehicle. Police utility vehicle. These are robust vehicles designed for off-road use, allowing the police to navigate rough terrain more effectively. Police tow truck. Police tow truck. Used to clear accident scenes and tow vehicles that are illegally parked or abandoned. Police helicopter. Police helicopter. Aerial vehicles used for monitoring and pursuing suspects from the air, as well as for search and rescue operations. Police drone. Police drone. Small unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with cameras and sensors, used for surveillance, search operations, and monitoring. Police airplane. Police airplane. Larger aircraft used for aerial surveillance over larger areas or for pursuing suspects who attempt to escape by air. Police bicycle. Police bicycle. Used in areas where regular vehicles may not be practical, for patrolling parks, pedestrian zones, or crowded areas. Police mounted. Police mounted refers to police officers patrolling on horseback, especially in areas where horses can navigate more effectively than vehicles. Police dog.
Zbiera się zbyt dużych psów, bo
Police dog. Canine units used to track suspects, detect illegal substances, search for missing persons, and provide support in various law enforcement operations.
te pieski wykorzystujemy u nich naturalnie.
SWAT Truck. SWAT Truck. Special Weapons and Tactics. SWAT trucks are equipped with gear and weaponry to handle high-risk situations, such as hostage rescues and armed standoffs. Police Riot Van. Police Riot Van. Specially equipped vans used by law enforcement during riots or large public gatherings to transport personnel and equipment to maintain public order. Police bus. Police bus. Used to transport a large number of police personnel, typically for special events, demonstrations, or mass arrests. Police water cannon. Police water cannon. Used for riot control and crowd dispersal, particularly in situations where large-scale public unrest occurs. Police armored vehicle. Police armored vehicle. An armored vehicle used to protect officers during high-risk operations, such as serving warrants or dealing with heavily armed suspects. Police prisoner truck. Police prisoner truck. Vehicles designed to transport arrested individuals or detainees safely to police stations, jails, or courts. Police patrol boat. Police patrol boat. Used for patrolling waterways, conducting search and rescue operations, and enforcing maritime laws. Police unmarked car. Police unmarked car. Regular cars without visible police markings used for covert surveillance or to catch traffic violators and other offenders unaware. Police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. Used for rapid response and maneuverability in traffic, allowing officers to reach locations quickly. Police pickup truck. Police pickup truck. Used for various tasks such as transporting equipment, carrying personnel, or patrolling in areas with rough terrain. Bomb squad robot. Bomb squad robot. Specialized robots used to inspect and handle potentially explosive devices, reducing the risk to human bomb disposal experts.